Hello, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna explain or teach us how we can clone from our GitHub to our clone our repository from GitHub to our main folder or our main terminal or our working space where we are working. Let's get started. So the first thing is to go to your GitHub account, your GitHub where you create an account on GitHub. So you're just gonna wait for it to load. So now that it has loaded, the next thing we're gonna do is we have ALX pre underscore course. So uh, I'm coming over here and I'm gonna click on dashboard. So see all the repositories I do have. So I have like 3 repositories. We have alx-pre underscore course, which we are using for our GitHub, and we have ALX, and we have alx-pre underscore course too. We have those repositories. So and we want to create a token. So creating a token, you come to you go on settings, which is this one. Click on the setting there. So when you click on setting, then it loads. You're not going to look for developer setting, which is this one we have here, developer setting. So you click on developer setting, then having clicked on developer setting, you see authenticate app and personal access token. So you click on personal access token. So you can see here I have created tokens here already. YREX, I've never used this, which is this other one. So they put never used there. So what did I permit? What are the access I grant? I grant admin org underscore hook, admin public key, repo hook, package, delete repo, gist, notifications, project, repo, workflow, and whatsoever. They are telling me that this workflow have not expired. So when we check this one I use it last use within the last week. So I've used this. So and here I enable enterprise, admin enterprise, which I did here to the same thing. Org underscore hook, public key, repo hook, delete repo, gist, notification, project, repo, user. I think there's no user there. We have workflow, discussions, write package, and all that. So I want to generate a token. For me to generate a token, I'm going to click on this generate new token. So I just click on generate new token to generate a new token. So after generating a new token, I'm gonna wait there for it to show up. So now we are about to generate a new token. So we are going to input our password here to generate a token. So just put your password there. I don't know if I can remember. So kind of something like that. Okay, I think this is a suggestion. Yeah, because I always forget. I forget things. So now that we have done that, the next thing is what's this token for. So you just write random stuff there. So you can put for me. So these are the ones that I've used, is the LX, YR, YREX, and stuff like that. So you can just write anything random. Then you set the expiration to, you can set it to 90 days. If you put no expiration, they always give you a warning. And when they give you a warning, sometimes they might be requesting for password or stuff like that. So I know maybe that should be the cause. So when you get here, you tick this for the first one. You tick workflow, package, and delete package. This thing, it ticks everything. This, then I tick this org.admin notifications. Then I tick users, delete repo, write discussion, this project, and whatever, as many as you can take like that, right? So that's what I take, sha. So admissive sign-in key, write public user sign-in key, full control of public user access sign-in key. And so I think maybe I should take these two. So SSH sign-in key. So I think I should take this. So I will generate a token. But if this requests for a password, so maybe I have not inputted a note, so I can just put any of this, me. I'll put demo. So after the demo, I click on generate token. So it's telling me that notes can be blank. You need to use something that I think someone have not used before. So it's still telling me can be blank, but let me just check generate token. So I was able to generate a token. So token I've generated, I'll just click on here to copy it. So I've copied that. Now if you have copied that, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your that means your sandbox. Or before you go to your sandbox, this is what you do. You need to look for a place to arrange whatever you want to do. So I have a copy of everything. So what I'll do is I'll come back to here, click here. After I've copied my personal token, click on this, and I need to locate my project on GitHub. So I'll click on this, I'll select project. So this is what we have here. So I'll go to project. I want to select, then wait for it. Just need to be patient because of the network I'm using. So I'm going to click on Git. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy from it. Okay, so this is what they gave us. So I'm going to copy from this Git clone, from this Git, then I'm going to copy it down to this place. So I'll just click on copy. So I was able to copy two things, and they are all on my thing. So when you do this, you run this, at the end, this is the message you expect to see. You have to see this message. That's to know that you have successfully cloned it. You have successfully do the cloning. So what you're going to do is you come and copy that, you come here to your sandbox, you open your sandbox using this. I'm not using the sandbox, so you are going to paste there. So come in, you are going to paste it there. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to move your cursor. So I'm going to set it to rotate. So I'm going to set it to rotate for me to rotate my screen. So, and I'm going to set my keyboard so that I'll have the control whatever. So I'll come. So look at this, very clear where I'm typing. So I'm going to move more to where I have this token. So you can see. So I'm going to delete from the bracket and make sure I have that there. So you can see. So for many of us cannot see that. Look at. You can see it. So I've deleted and I left the two slashes and the at there. So in between that place, that's where I'm gonna insert my token. So I'm going to take my keyboard back to this. Then I'm going to paste it. So I'll paste the token, which is this one there. So just set it aside. Then see if I can paste it. Let me see, Control V. Sorry. So, okay. Let me see how possible I can do. So you can see I have pasted there. So after the git clone https then you see my this in there, which is my token. So my token is there, starting from this. So I'm going to this here. So it's where my token is starting from, and token end here. This point. So you can see that. Then at github.com. Then the next thing we are going to do is, after that, at github.com/ then you are going to remove that curly braces and the username and put your username there. So if you can remember, you saw my this thing, right? What I put there was my username. So what am I going to do? So the same, I'm going to switch keyboard to the hacker's keyboard. I'm going to move my cursor to the position I want it to be. So you can see I'll put it here. So I'm going to start deleting from that point. So you can see what we have there, com // so I'll come in between those double slash that we have there, then and put my username. Username is Wisting. So you can see that my username there is Wisting. So when I've done this, so the next thing I'm going to do is I've checked my code. So you see I'll arrange it. From here I put my token, Then after the https colon slash slash, then my token, then at github.com slash, then the next thing is my username, my GitHub username. When you see my GitHub, you see Wisting there slash. So Wisting is my username. Then the particular thing you want to clone. So when you do this and you hit enter, you expect it to go at once. So if, for instance, I don't want to clone this because I already have it, I want to clone maybe my ALX folder. So I'll just delete all this and put ALX there .git, and you clone my ALX folder. What you are cloning is ALX this thing. So we expect to have the ALX underscore. So don't do that. Leave it the way it is. Don't put it like this. So that's where you clone it. So you return it back. So let me return that back. So dash, we have pre, then we have underscore, and we have course. So you can see that ALX dash pre underscore then .git. So you hit enter and you expect everything to go easy peasy. So if you have any problem or any issue, please drop it on the comments, and thank you.